good?
That tastes like the Olive Garden one.
Today, me and Rosado are gonna be attempting to cook in our apartment for the first time ever.
A real meal.
A real meal.
Yeah.
Not Maruchan.
Not frozen lasagna.
Frozen lasagna.
Not muffins.
Not muffins. Actual chicken parmesan food. Meal from scratch. We're gonna be making the sauce. We're gonna be making the pasta. And we're gonna be seasoning and actually cooking the chicken. This is our first ever time and I'm super happy and excited. And like I said, we're gonna be making chicken parmesan. We're gonna be using fettuccine for the pasta.
Also, I look like this because I just got out of school.
Yeah.
And I'm starving.
Yeah, literally, I told her like, yo, as soon as you get home, we're cooking. Like, I want to do this. I've been wanting to do this. Y'all been asking for it, so here it is. And we're gonna be using chicken breasts.
Yes.
Oh, and we're gonna be following this TikTok recipe that I found. Literally, it's just this girl like telling us everything to do. So we're gonna be watching. Yeah, step by step. We're gonna be watching it. And Rosa wrote down all the ingredients and recipes and what we have to do. So we're gonna have the TikTok and that. And we're gonna be having two camera angles. So one right here, one right there. But I wanted to add a special little something. So y'all are gonna be getting the Ratatouille POV. I'm gonna be wearing the GoPro while we're cooking.
So basically 3 camera angles.
Yeah, so y'all can see, all right? We're gonna be doing everything. Y'all gonna be seeing everything, all right? Are you ready? Are you ready to cook? First ever meal?
Yes.
All right, so what do we need to do first?
Okay, so first in our list, we have
The chicken.
the chicken. We have to marinate it or whatever. And we have chicken breast.
All right, we need a knife. So this is already thin sliced. To be honest, I don't even know if we have to slice it anymore.
Yeah, I don't think so. Did we wash our hands?
Oh, shoot. Oh my, thank you for telling me. Oh, yo, guys, don't worry about the dishes either.
That's his only chore
Yeah,
in the house.
and throw out the trash.
Yeah.
And help sometimes. Hands are washed, okay?
Washed hands.
So now what?
So now,
We got our chicken.
well, the lady was marinating in a bowl, but do you want to do it there?
Okay, maybe we should do it in a bowl so it doesn't get everywhere.
Yeah. And we need to cut like everything on there. We're gonna use this.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna put the chicken here.
Why don't you like the fat? The fat is flavor. All right, you can cut off the fat. Guys, let me know, do y'all cut off the fat or keep it on? I like fat, it's flavor, it's oil, it's just so good. Even on my steaks, I love the fat, it's just.
Yeah, I think that's why I don't like steaks.
Well, you can get it off. All right, you do the cutting, I do the mixing. We need to add olive oil, salt and pepper. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, Italian, and paprika. Okay, that's all good?
Yep, all good.
I'm gonna throw this away. Time to marinate.
Okay, so we need to add olive oil.
And we don't have oil, so we're just gonna use the spray oil. Extra virgin. Guys, me and Rosa were talking last night. The hardest thing about cooking is like seasoning, knowing how much to season. All right, now what?
I think I'm gonna add the stuff, okay?
And then I mix it?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good.
Okay, so we gotta add
Salt and
oil,
pepper.
Salt. Oh, she added like a spoonful.
Spoon.
Guys, we're just being very careful because
We don't want it to taste like shh.
yeah, we're a little bit scared, okay?
To be honest, I think we can.
Yeah, the other one.
Yeah, just use this.
Okay, now we're gonna pour it.
Add the salt.
We added the salt,
And
garlic, and onion powder.
All right.
That much.
Okay.
And then onion powder. I don't know if she.
Yo, shout out to this lady, bruh. She just goes back and forth.
Yeah.
I feel like everybody watching this right now, they're gonna be like, these kids are following exactly step by step. But I really want this to taste good, and we've been starving all freaking day.
Yep, Italian seasoning. Got it right here.
Okay. And paprika. There we
Yeah,
go.
I think like that.
Dang, that's a lot of seasoning. This stuff.
Give it all a good toss.
All right.
Vegetable oil. Dang, none of our stuff is so good.
Because we never use it.
Yep, that looks marinated. Good job, Buttercup.
Good job.
Yeah. And then we're gonna add the chicken to the pan.
All right, bet. Think it's ready?
And then we're gonna fry it on 5 to 8 minutes on each side.
Or until they look cooked.
Yeah.
You need to give some love. Give him some seasoning.
We can't have salty chicken.
I like salty chicken. I don't think he wants it. All right, ready?
No, wait. You gotta heat up.
Okay. Is it red under the bottom?
Yeah.
Well, let's see if it sizzles. There we go.
Wow, Buttercup, we're cooking.
First time.
Okay, put 5 minutes on the timer.
Ah! Do you have the timer on here?
No, I think.
A little more. Did it burn you?
You know this?
Woo! Shit.
This is why I'm scared of cooking.
Because of the oil?
Yeah.
You got long sleeves. You need gloves? All right. How much time? 1 minuto.
Yeah, a little bit.
Woo! He got mad.
Okay, we're gonna flip now.
All right, flip time. Here, let me try. Ah!
Oh.
Ah!
Okay, guys. Timer stop. We're gonna add it to this plate that we have here with towels.
One chicken. Hopefully it's cooked. Maybe we should get a knife.
Ow!
Here, let me cut one before you take all.
Yeah, it is. Do you see it?
All right, guys, y'all can't see right now, but I just tasted the chicken, and it's freaking good.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I like it.
You didn't give me a bite?
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, Buttercup.
That's really amazing. Mmm. A little bit salty.
I told you I like my chicken salty.
But that's really good. It almost tastes like my mom's. Not, my mom doesn't make this. Ingrid makes this. Like Ingrid's chicken. My sister. But we're gonna wait for this and then we'll come back.
Yeah, just cut it. See what happens. Here, I'll do it. Or we could just cut this little tiny one.
No, because that one is like easy to cook.
Oh, yeah.
Those, because those are like thick.
You're smart, Buttercup.
They're not white. I mean, they're not pink. Cut this one. They're white, right?
Yeah.
So the chicken is done, guys. We have another plate to put in.
1, 2, 3, 3.5. I mean 3.1.
3.2.
All right,
Okay.
guys. Now time for the sauce.
Yay!
Yeah.
First step done.
Chicken done. Most important part.
So we're gonna put this, and we're gonna keep this on medium heat because now we need to make the sauce. And for the sauce, we have the recipe here. It says we have to melt a stick of butter. You have the butter right here. And these are half sticks. So do we add both of them? Yeah.
All right, time for the sauce.
This is the most important part.
What?
Because if the sauce don't taste good, then
All right, guys, and if the sauce does not taste good, we do have, we gonna mix. We're gonna try the sauce before we mix the pasta, okay? Because if not, we have this home style Alfredo, okay?
yeah.
All right.
Okay, and then we need to toss 2 garlic cloves. And we gotta cut them.
Garlic added. Now what else? Okay, I'm gonna put water in here. All right, water. Cream cheese is already out, I believe.
Little piece of garlic.
A little piece of garlic is in there, guys. All right, cream cheese.
8 ounces.
8 ounces. So it said 4?
4, yeah.
So half. You got it?
Yeah, I got it, okay?
Okay. Come on.
I'm a chef, okay?
You're a chef. I know you like ripping open packages.
Yeah. We're actually making chicken Alfredo Buttercup.
What the heck? I hope we're doing this right. Oh shoot, break it up, break it up.
Yeah, but it's supposed to melt.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, 1 pint of heavy cream, then this.
Is that, how much is that?
1 pint.
Is that 1 pint?
Yeah, 1 pint.
I think our sauce is a little...
I know, let's add this.
No, you need to get this melted first.
Well, this is gonna heat up with it though, so then it can actually
Okay,
cook.
fine. We should have added non-stick thingy a little bit.
What is that? See, now it's gonna like...
Garlic.
Now it's gonna
I think
heat
we're
up.
doing the sauce a little bit wrong, guys.
I know, this is the most important part, remember?
Yeah.
I don't know, I think it'll be good. But I feel like, I don't know, we'll see. We're gonna do the sauce, and if it's good, then we'll use it. If not, we're gonna use this one. The Prego.
The Prego. Okay, she said to add a little bit of salt and black pepper.
Okay.
Can I do that? I want to do this.
Yeah, but I think I need a little more salt.
No, it's gonna be salty. I think it looks good. Just the garlic is a little bit burned.
Yeah, it just needs to cook a little more.
We're about to add the cheese.
Okay, so they said we're supposed to shred it ourselves, but I just got it in this box. Next time we'll get a shredder machine.
Box?
This is a little box.
That's not a little box.
What is it?
It's a little
Tub.
bowl.
Tub.
Bowl.
Tub.
Yeah.
But we're gonna open this little bowl. Hopefully it's stinky. The stinkier the better.
Ew.
You didn't know that for cheese? Shada's whisking it her.
Too much.
She a little too strong. And I'm not strong enough to open this.
We're just gonna add all of it.
It don't smell that good, to be honest. It's not stinky.
That stinks. Okay, add it.
But I watched this TikTok and it said add it slowly.
Well, the woman added it all.
Well, I don't think it hurts to just get some in there.
This is what makes the sauce thick.
Dang, it is getting thick, right?
Guys, I wish I could smell this. It smells really good.
All right, once we add all the cheese, you're gonna have to taste it. And if it's not good, oh my gosh.
She said if it's not good, then you add a little bit of garlic powder.
All the cheese is added. Guys, it's game time. We're coming down to the final minutes.
Yeah, we just need to...
Except this freaking pasta. What the
Yeah.
hell is wrong with it? It's not bubbly. Bro, what the fudge? Maybe we're just eating chicken Alfredo.
Okay, put it there.
Yeah, look, that thing's not even on. We need to add salt.
That's it? That's it?
Oh, shoot, sorry. And a little bit of oil, right?
Yeah, just a little. No, it was when we were gonna add the noodles. But I guess, yeah.
I don't know, guys. Hopefully this comes out right. Look, bring 4 quarts of water to boil, add salt, add pasta.
It's okay. It doesn't matter how much agua.
Okay, that looks good. Thankfully, this is starting to boil. We need those bubbles to come. Gotta get ready to open this.
Hey, guys.
Fettuccine. Is it good?
Wait.
Or are you gonna taste
Time to taste it.
it? It's good.
That tastes like the Olive Garden one.
For real? Let me do a little. Guys, I'm gonna get a little taste. Ready? Dang, that actually does taste good. I think I'm just gonna pour these in.
Wow, we're chefs. Just make sure they don't stick to the pan.
All right, I think I messed this up, bro. Come on. I had
You had one
job. Just put it in there. Fudge, man. Nah, this is gonna be good though, no cap. Wait, so how do we make it not stick?
Just leave it there, and then when it starts getting wrinkly.
Wrinkly? We need like a little thingy to mix it.
Guys, it literally tastes just like the chicken, the Olive Garden sauce.
All right, but
Yeah, because I'm a chef.
cooked, right? So we can't burn it, put it on low.
Okay, do you want to cut the chicken?
Oh yeah, we could do that. And you got the pasta.
I'm gonna cook.
It's gonna be so good.
I think you should add just those, or actually add the bigger ones.
Damn, that chicken is good as hell. Good job, Buttercup.
Good job to you too. The chicken.
Yeah, that's what I was supposed to do, cut it. Little slices.
Guys, so recently I got contacts because I'm freaking blind and I don't like wearing glasses. So this is like my first week wearing contacts, and
Oh, my bad.
everything dries them out. I literally have to put lubricating eye drops for contacts because they're dry and it hurts my eyes. Are you gonna add all the chicken, like both plates?
Why, you don't think we should?
Nah, yeah, I think we should. I'm officially a housewife and a chef, guys.
And a chef.
Yep.
All right, is that good?
Oh, look at the little thing of garlic.
Okay. More chicken over here.
They're supposed to turn like whitish, aren't they? Like.
I don't know, to be honest. But I think whenever they look like fettuccine. Damn, this chicken's good.
Stop eating the chicken.
It's too good. Okay,
Now we just gotta wait for these.
for the pasta.
Wait, should we add like, you know how everyone gets like the cup of that water?
Pour into there?
Yeah.
Sheesh, man, I'm starving. We should have started this pasta like way
Way
earlier.
earlier.
We would have already been done. All right, guys, I think the noodles are done.
Now we're gonna.
Now the
That
fun
is
part.
hot. That is
Even
a little
these?
bit hot.
Damn, bro, that should not be hot. We gotta get a new one. Chefs, Master Chef Rosa.
Oh, and we already added like the little thing to the sauce because we know we're
The broth.
Yeah.
Bro, so should we put it on the pan?
Yeah.
Mmm. My gosh, it's so good.
Okay. Now it's time to add the noodles to the
Sauce. Dang, I think our pan is too freaking small.
yeah.
Fudge stickers.
Barnacles. No, that's a SpongeBob sauce.
Yep. Damn, this is too slow. Should we add this?
Yeah. Should have used this one to cook
The chicken and the.
Yeah.
But it's alright. Should I just clean that one and we'll use it?
Yeah. This looks freaking amazing. I don't think we should have added all the noodles.
No? Smells something burning.
Yeah, the bottom of
Good job. Good job. All right, just like that, we're in the new pan. Now we add the chicken.
Wait, we gotta make sure the sauce is.
There's water, it might be on the bottom. That's why. Just put it back on.
Wow.
This chicken a little more.
Now we're gonna add the chicken. Buttercup, what the hell?
Don't even play. You know you eat the chicken away from the. All right, here we go. Damn, I think we made too much or something. And we're supposed to be using like a flour.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm mixing this right. Damn, this stuff is good.
Wow.
This tastes like freaking
Olive Garden.
amazing.
Yeah.
This tastes freaking amazing. This is gonna be my lunch for the rest of the week.
This really tops it off. And I don't think we needed that much.
You just watched us make freaking chicken Alfredo for the first time ever cooked inside of our apartment. Let's try it. Mwah! That's actually really good. So me and Rosada are gonna eat. Let me see that chicken. To be honest, I would eat this even without the chicken.
Yep.